Here we've got one of our favourite houseplants. This one is called Spathiphyllum Cupido. You might know it as a peace lily. And this is prized to have in people's homes because you get amazing displays from it. You get these beautiful, glossy, huge leaves on here, but then they are topped with what is considered to be a very pretty flower. It's actually a modified leaf, but do you know what? We all think of them as flowers, so it really doesn't matter. Now, there's a few benefits to having this in your home because they're perfect in the more humid rooms. They're great at soaking up the moisture. So bathrooms, kitchens, they are absolutely fantastic. But they've also got the most amazing air purifying qualities. So removing some of those toxins from your home. This is one of the best ones to do that with. It's also really good at telling you when it needs some attention. When you see all the foliage just start to go a little bit droopy like this, it's telling you, please give me a drink. So all you have to do is a little water into the compost and you will watch it perk right back up again. It's a beautiful plant. It's got a real sort of peace and tranquility to it. It will get bigger. It will go to somewhere between 50 and 70 centimetres, but you'll get those glorious leaves on there, the flowers that last for weeks on end, and of course, all of those benefits of soaking up the moisture and cleaning out the toxins in your home. It's highly recommended. I absolutely adore it. I think you should get one in your basket today.